Welcome to ProFit Outdoor Kitchens. In this video, we'll show you how to connect two factory finish modules to create an L-shaped kitchen with a step-up bar. Before you begin, gather your tools and safety gear, confirm the modules are positioned according to the approved layout, and keep screw bag G nearby. Let's get building. Move both assembled modules into their final positions and carefully bring them together. Make sure the front and rear faces are properly aligned. The composite finish on one module should overlap the unfinished side of the adjoining module, creating a clean exterior transition. From inside the first module, use the screws from bag G to fasten the interior frame to the adjoining module. Install 3 screws on the left side and 3 on the right side, placing one at the top, one in the middle, and one at the bottom. Repeat the same process from inside the second module, fastening it back into the first module to create a secure two-way connection. Once the modules are fully secured, attach the deck boards that cover the exposed side of the step-up bar. Using screws from bag G, fasten each board from the inside, placing 3 screws along each board at evenly spaced connection points. Check that the modules remain aligned and that all deck boards are firmly secured. The 2 modules are now connected and ready for countertops, finishing components, and appliances.